Good morning, students. Nahan ako'y monohybrid cross ki loireko. Monohybrid cross ki monohybrid cross dagi ako'y na Mendel's ki principle ani lauthokpadasu taure laws of dominance and laws of segregation. Noi loina paramane na khali aduga amana noi ki 7 pairs of contrasting characters Mendel na P plan dagi choose tawba singdo loina ma akoi character amakhatani tall and dwarf atai character lemhori pataruk tu sunoi hojiki jab manaba tall and dwarf ki cross ki method da loina noi practice tawro aduga akoi sigi class si khara chatharaba matungda ai test ama lawgani ko aduna nongma ki tawkhiba classing do loina prepare tawraga thamo na YouTube class to su yengo note to su yengo compare tawraga paro ngasidi akoigi chapter 5 siki makha tabada amu lautarasi ahanbada ai term amani noida hana taamkhige ahamba reciprocal cross. What is reciprocal cross? Reciprocal cross it is the cross involving two types of individuals where the male of one type is crossed with female of the second type and vice versa. It is performed to study the effect of sex on inheritance of traits. Sigi reciprocal cross ani involved tawi masigi purpose di magi traits inherit obada sigi gametes sabidi vice versa male female gametes reverse tawrakanda kari effect lakke habdu khangnana bai damaktani in plants study male female haba laite plants study magi parts male flower or female flower male parts female parts jatna bani ko adone yengo sida ina ama ulis yengo first cross sida male gamete female gamete and offspring si cross one da siki capital T si tall plant ki gamete ni adegi sina dwarf plant ki gamete ni ko tall plant sina male gamete male ohalaba adegi dwarf sina female ohalaga when cross pollinate obakanda my offspring se magi genotype si capital T small t oi habati tall hybrid amuka su yango ngosai ki sigi female gamete ohanki ba dwarf ki gamete se handak mungna ani subadana male ohalaba ngosai capital tall sina amuk female ohalaga amuk cross toraga yengba kanda su my offspring si jamana na dum capital T small t tall hybrid si oi masina takpati in plants there is no effect of sex on inheritance of traits haibani ko ado hauji next the back cross. What is back cross? Back cross it is a cross between hybrids and one of its parents. Hybrid plant na back toraga magi parents to ki amada recessive oigera dominant oigera amada back cross obudubu back cross kawi in cross breeding most of good traits of the crop plants get diluted. Therefore the hybrid is repeatedly crossed with parent crop plant in order to transfer the good traits back into it. Plants the day masai ke akoina cross breeding tawrubadagi trait ani cross breeding tawrubadagi masagi da laijaramba good traits singse mangthara e hanthara e adugi good traits se amuk regain donabagi tamakta hybrid plant F1 plants in a dominant plants in the back tawraga hanjan cross over se plant breeding tadi tawi adu maramdi to transfer back the good traits back into it happening ko back cross makhalani lay dash cross and out cross. Now dash cross. What is dash cross? Dash cross when offspring of individual with dominant phenotype whose genotype is not known is crossed with an individual which is homozygous recessive for the trait. This cross is known as dash cross. Habati ngasai ki offspring F1 plants hybrid plants ina back tawraga magi recessive parent plant to the cross to daragadi adubu dash cross kawi. Habati a cross between hybrid plant F1 plants ko and recessive parent plants si cross to basibu dash cross kawi haibani. Dash cross to bagi purpose ti It is done to determine whether the individual parent exhibiting dominant trait is homozygous or heterozygous. Okay, F1 plan se hybrid plan oy se mamang da tamkramni ko F1 individual hybrid oiriba plan se magi genotype se homozygous oibra heterozygous oibra haise koina di khangde phenotype tangni khoin khangisi aduna magi se homozygous ni heterozygous ni habsi khangnana bagi damakta koina test cross tawribani siki se khangnana bagi damakta koina test tawribasi da case ani 1 case 2 case 1 case 2 case ani dai sida mana piri ko yango hojik sida lawri se koina flower color tani flower color ani violet and white violet sina dominant character ni and white sina recessive character ni ko sigi sida yango si dominant violet and white recessive se capital W na mahusili small W ne ani si cross tawrasi si cross toba kanda si loina mak sim violet oire ko si loina violet oire dona yango sida if all the offspring dominant trait is it indicates that individual under test is homozygous for dominant trait. Masina ta isi masi 100% sim violet oire ko violet loina mak sim violet oire sina takpadi nangki dominant trait se magi dominant trait siki dominant trait violet siki genotype se homozygous oi haina ta ini adegi case 2 sida amuk yengo violet se chamane sigi violet se ka si chamana tra mane ko sigi violet se magi genotype ti manadi sida capital W small w si heterozygous hybrid niko sigi heterozygous condition sina amuk recessive white parent plant sida cross to baganda si magi gamete sida leire si cross to baganda kaidore yango violet white 50% violet 50% na white oiba. If the 50% flowers are violet, 50% flowers are white. Ratio na 1:1. Sinatapadi it is if a test cross gives 50% of offspring showing dominant trait and 50% showing recessive trait. It indicates that individual parent under test is heterozygous for dominant trait. Masina tapadi nang F1 plan trait pudi violet adum oiba adubo magi genotype se akoina test sorini ko aduna hojiki second case ina ta ise nangi F1 plan se phenotype dominant trait oiba F1 plan se si F1 plan se masiki genotype si heterozygous oi manate homozygous nate haina ta ini 50-50 dominant ka recessive se 50-50 oiba sina ta idisi heterozygous oi haina ta ini siki damakta koina test cross aisi tawrini now outcross backcross ki makhalani ama test cross aga outcross ni ko outcross ina kari haino what is outcross it is that backcross in which F1 hybrid is crossed with its dominant plant. It is carried out to bring genes of resistance from dominant parent, usually female parent. Siki backcross, outcross. Outcross is backcross makalamani. Sina kay tawke have the F1 plant sina mana back tawraga cross tawdoriba parent plant si dominant plant to the recessive plant na di ko dominant plant to the back tawraga cross tawdoriba ni sigi outcross si dana ko sigi outcross si kay tawbagi magi purpose ti karino habada akoina cross breeding tawba kanda parent ani cross breeding tawba kanda masagi original yauramba good trait kharasi handhare e dilute tore e si dilute to khiba pot se hanjan nabagi damakta amuk phangna nabagi damakta outcross si tawrini now inheritance of two genes haibadi dihybrid cross haibni ko what is dihybrid cross it is a cross between two organisms of a species which is made to study the inheritance of two pairs of factors or alleles of two genes. Monohybrid cross tawkre hojik dihybrid cross haibadi individual organism anigi marakta two pairs of contrasting characters cross tawba taragadi adubu dihybrid cross kawi. Example de yango a cross between a pea plant with yellow color and round shaped seeds. And a pea plant with green color and wrinkled shaped seeds are considered. Pea plant ko sigi character ani se seed tani. Seed ki character se color na yellow, shape na round. Oiba amaga green color seed amaga wrinkled shape oiba seed. Character ani si cross toba si dihybrid cross makhalamani sigi detail magi cross makha da mathang yeng tharakani si laktringai da laws ama si palamke laws of independent assortment. Based on dihybrid cross, Mendel proposed that another set of generalizations that we call Mendel's laws of independent assortment. The laws of independent assortment states that when two pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of character is independent of the other pair of characters. Laws of independence ngasai sigi dihybrid cross ida based oraga puthoraba general principles amani Mendel's ke third law laws of independent assortment haibatuni. Laws of independent assortment sina hairis na kaino two pairs of traits se cross to bakanda combine to bakanda traits singse amada amaka punsanade during gamete formation da masa ke character to chap manana tonga independently separate out to re habani ko ada hoje explanation sigi example si yengasi a cross is made between yellow round seeds plant and green wrinkled seeds plant. The genotype of the parent can be written as capital YY, capital RR, as it is considered as these alleles or genotypes for yellow round shape plant and considered as dominant plant, and small YY, small RR, alleles for green wrinkle and considered as recessive plant respectively. Si hojiki haikiba ani si yango sigi character si sigi capital YY small RR si yellow round plant ge genotypes ni ko si dominant character ni adagi ama si somsai ki small letter oiriba small YY small RR sina kaino habada sina green wrinkle ki genotypes ni alleles ni adoga sigi plants in a recessive plant ni. Now during cross pollination yellow round produce gametes with allele YR and green wrinkle YYRR will produce gamete with alleles YR sina ngasai ki cross plant ani si cross to bakanda sigi plant siga sigi cross to kanda si plant sina si gamete si produce torani adagi sigi sina su si gamete produce torani hojik gametes unite at random. The seeds obtained when placed in soil will grow to plants will produce yellow round seeds. Yellow round seeds genotypes because yellow and round characters are dominant over green and wrinkled. These are called plants of F1 generation. Si plant ani si cross torakanda. Mabani na puthore ipa pampi to ki seeds se akoina amuk thara kanda kari tawi plant amuk thore I plant to ki seeds to karamba plants seeds pair to ke hai kanda yellow round seeds si oil siki mai genotype si da leire ko yellow round seed ni genotype ti si da leire kari maram ki green wrinkle bang raga yellow round oirino habada yellow ka round character si dominant character ni aduna green wrinkle si marks to raga yellow round plants ngatang puthore isibu akone F1 generation kawi. When plants of F1 generation are allowed to self-pollinate, gametes form YR, capital Y, capital R, small y, capital Y, small r, small y, capital R, and small y, small r. By meiosis, they unite at random, forming seeds. F1 plants are allowed to self-pollinate. Masa mathanda self-pollinate taurakanda F1 plants in a gamete 4 types of gametes produced tawi. My gametes singse sida leire say capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, and small r. Say 4 types of gametes produced the we. Si gametes in a male so female so animal oi doing cell pollinate oi banina ko. Mathang the kaidare the plants thus formed are called F2 generation. Say self pollinate or putorapa. Plant generation to buna F2 generation gawi F2 generation ke plants sing to karam ba makhan ki plant puthora ke haibada moisi yellow round seeds yellow color oiba round shape oiba seed plants su yaure e yellow wrinkles su yaure e green round su yaure e and green wrinkles su yaure e Siki 4 types of plants produced already F2 generation da ko Siki 4 types of plants Siki ratio moi ki plants Siki ratio si kaya da put 9:2 9:3:1 si ratio Siki ratio si da Siki plants makhan mari si produced already sipu akoina dai hybrid ratio aina kawe ko now the results of dihybrid growth is shown in the Punnett score or checkerboard sida masai mathakta ina sida explain to kiba siki mayam se hauji sida makhagi si checkerboard method da putho iba sida yengu sida loina ulabani masai ki parent plant se yellow round ga green round ni cross orisi mapani ki genotype se sida laire genotype si sida ki amu gamete form dore se sida gamete form of the sida y capital Y ani capital R ani yaurisi y ama si laire y ama si laire si capital R ama si laire si gamete ni ko si su chap mane small y small r si ki y ama si laire adagi R ama si laire adagi R si da laire si mari si hauji cross at random habdi 50% chance si na yellow round se aina sida male ni haina mark tore sidana female plant oi hale sina male oi hale ko male oi han habati siki pollen green se green wrinkle sina female oi ba sina stigma ovule do sida oi kada ba ani si cross to han ba male gamete ani ni sina female gamete ani ni si cross pollinate to kan dai siki male gamete sina siki female animak sida so magi chances of cross 50-50 oi habne at random ha ko adi mai ki male gamete ama sina su siki female ani sida cross pollinate over chance 50-50 oi haba aduna cross to rasi siki male gamete na sida cross to raganda mapa magi offspring to sida lere capital Y small y capital R small r si lere ko si su yangu sina amuk sida cross to ganda capital Y small y capital R small r sida lere next siki gamete male gamete amuk siki female sida amuk cross to rasi si capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Next, sida mo cross to si capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Siki planting sipu F1 generation kawi. Siki F1 generation ke planting siki phenotypes they all are yellow round. Yellow round loina ore maramti siki Y sina dominant ni R yellow color sina green dagi aduna si yellow oire siki capital R round si dominate over green wrinkled small r aduna yellow dominant color character round dominant character siki dominant character yellow round se F1 generation plant roi namak se yellow round oire yellow round si pokoina kari amaki phenotype ti yellow round oi genotypes di Masai parent ki homozygous sika manata banina siti heterozygous nina sipuna koina hybrid plant ko. Now self pollination of F1 plants. F1 plants they allowed to self pollinate. Hoji self pollinate tohalase cross pollinate na taba anda kisina self pollinate. Aduna si chap manaba plant ni amatagi hekta yari ko siki plant sida hoji magi self pollinate to na bagi damakta akoi gamete form do batarkar oira. Siki parent plant siki sidaki akoina 4 types of gametes form the wena mathak the point the p khrabani na gamete to combine form to rino yengasi siki mathak thangba line the easy gamete ni som the easy gamete ni aina som gi line sipuna male gamete aina sida mark to re sina female nangna sida male ohan ba suyai sida female ohla suyai no apambani plant ati esi onthokna bada kari kumba amada magi offspring the effect laite haibase koi reciprocal cross sai mathak da pangi badu atu da khangrabani ko adana nangna noina ohaning ba ma oiba yai adu hauji gamete tu yengasi sigi mari sina Four types of gametes combined form torino. Ahanba gamete, capital Y, small r, capital Y, capital Y, capital R. Say, capital Y, capital R. Say, gamete amalere. And capital Y, small r, capital Y, small r. Say, gamete amalere ko. Next, the small y, capital R, small y, capital Y, R. Si gamit ama layre, amuk small y, capital R. Small y, small r, small y, small r. Si capital. See, four types of gamete si form dore. Four types of gamete si sida male. See, four types of mana ba same si female. Maram di self pollinate oy banina gamete sing sab mana ani ko. Hauzik Sigi Marie si male female si cross to bakanda sigi manung ki posing si offspring ki genotypes ngaktani sigi pos si puna akoina F2 generation gawi F2 generation ko kamaina la ino sigi female sina sida cross to kanda capital magi capital Y ani laire capital R ani laire ko Zamana na sida amu cross to kanda capital Y ani laire capital R amaga small r ma laire sida amu cross to kanda yangu capital Y, small y, capital R ani laire. Next, amuk capital Y, small r si cross to kanda magi capital Y ma laire, small y ma laire, capital R ma laire, small r ma laire. Sumaina sina su sida cross to rani si mathang cross to ro si lao ko so noi si follow to ro sumaina sigi su amuk si loina cross to ro mathang la aga si la sigi possible when a punet score da ulu hadi si utoini check up board hadi sigi possible ko see 4 into 4 is 16 is the 16 box later ko see 16 box ni sigi 16 box ki individual mayam si akoine F2 generation haina si da mention dawre how sigi 16 box ki individual things ki phenotype si sida sandabni na ai address sida makhada mung yeng si se box thing do mung yeng ko phenotypes genotypes ratio aina sita sina phenotypes mayamni sina genotypes mayamni moi ki ratio do sida pareng sana piri nga sagi phenotypes na yellow round sigi yellow round phenotypes se sida magi genotype se sigi makhan sing se loina nang box su da thiro phangani se capital YY capital RR my phenotype se yellow round capital YY capital R small r sisu yellow round ni maram this is small r si wrinkled or so recessive webanina capital R round sina oidoba sisu yellow round ni sisu yellow round ni ko sisu yellow round 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 se kya suge 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 is in 9 out of 16 box manung da 9 se yellow round plan ni nangi sigi box sida yangu se sigi 16 box sigi manung sida lairi pa po sing si lauthore ini ko si yellow round kaya yauge khangnana ba ataki next yellow wrinkle si magi si phenotype si yellow wrinkle phenotypes haibadi external appearance magi plan to ki ko yellow wrinkle sigi magi genotype sing si makhan sida pire si capital YY se yellow ni small r sina wrinkle yellow wrinkle sisu capital Y ma yaurabni yellow wrinkle se ahum 3 out of 16 manungda yellow wrinkle se ahum yauri ko jap manana green round sisu yango si capital small YY ani si green ni capital RR sina round ni tuna green round si green round phenotype green round si genotype sa hum si pangi si su 3 ni out of 16 da then last type 4 subasina green wrinkle si all are small YY so RR so loin small oil ko si green wrinkle se only one out of 16 ni cause minus 16 box is the 9 3 3 1 I did phenotypic ratio se 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 sibu akoina dai hybrid ratio hai khangi sini siki sinoi khangto kadabani kauba yate matam bumbada si remind doduna sinpha pharaga laigadamni ko si dai hybrid cross ki ratio ni sina Smaina ngasi ki class si phawba ai ki YouTube da noi thagar ba video class ngasi ki si phawdang sida loisalasi siki note mayam se noi shindo aga video class ida compare toraka yengo hanjan aduga atop example mayam amusu lawkhatlaga dai hybrid cross to noi ngamna na banna sana thanda workout to ngamna na ba honor ko okay ngasi class da loisalasi